So this box is Venus.
The box is Venus. It's set to emit the same infrared light frequency as Venus's CO2 atmosphere.
So if the dots move when you turn the lights on, that means they're looking for CO2.
Thus proving the Carl hypothesis.
Sick.
All right.
All right.
You ready? Uh-oh.
Why are you saying uh-oh?
The astrophage moved off the slide.
Huh?
We lost them.
What do you mean we lost them? Go get them.
If I open the door and the light, they're gonna escape, and then we'll lose them forever. At least now they're in the box.
So you just turn the lights off.
There'll still be light. It's gotta be total darkness.
Okay, so just put this box in another box. I can hear you.
Entering phase 2. I'm in.
Please report, over.
There's one. There's two.
Come on, get the third one.
God sample 3, the Three Musketeers, the Three Stooges. Uh-oh.
What? What?
Are you sitting down?
No, I'm standing like a grown man.
Because there's the Force.
What?
We're fathers, Carl.
Now I'm sitting down.
Start.
Carl and I made a baby.
What?
We figured out how Astrophage breeds.
Don't move.
Wheels up.